So today we are going to discuss most important topic in 10th class biology, that is in human digestive system. So to carry out proper digestion, there will be enzymes are needed. There will be enzymes are needed. So now let us study the. So already I will explain enzymes, nothing but they are the proteins which makes reaction fast. Enzymes are chemical substances. Enzymes are chemical substances which make reaction fast. So to carry out digestion properly, enzymes are needed. So these enzymes in our in a human being digestive system throughout the alimentary canal or food pipe or gut in different locations, enzymes are added to the food bowl. Then only physical that mainly chemical changes are takes place by the enzymes. By the enzymes, chemical changes are takes place. So we are in 10th class biology activity 4 about studying the enzyme chart. Now let us start here. In this table, there are 8 enzymes are there. So in first column, serial number, second column, enzyme or substances. Enzyme substances, and second column, this enzyme secreted by which gland, that enzyme is secreted into which part, and that enzyme actually released in which form, which digestive juice, and this enzyme act on which it acts, and what are the final products. So now let us study the first one. First enzyme, thiolin. It is also called salivary amylase. It is also called salivary amylase or thiolin amylase. So this enzyme, thiolin enzyme or salivary amylase enzyme, which was secreted by the salivary glands. Salivary glands which are located in the buccal cavity, particularly in the upper jaw, lower jaw. So these glands present in the buccal cavity, mainly in jaws. So the thiolin or salivary amylase secreted into buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. So buccal cavity is also called oral cavity. So this cavity we can see after the teeth, total space in the mouth. In the mouth, the total space is called buccal cavity. And these thiolin or salivary amylase secreted by which digestive juice? Saliva. Saliva. And this salivary amylase or thiolin acts on carbohydrates. Acts on carbohydrates. Whatever we take in football, in that football, whatever carbohydrates are presented, they are digested into maltose. So thiolin or salivary amylase acts on carbohydrates converted into maltose. Converted into maltose. So this is the first enzyme in human being digestive system. Next, second one. The enzyme name is pepsin, secreted by the gastric glands, secreted into stomach. Which juice it contains means gastric juice, on which the pepsin is act. So pepsin acts on proteins. Pepsin acts on proteins. and converted into peptones. Converted into peptones. So pepsin enzyme acts on proteins, then converted into peptones. Next, third, bile juice. That is nothing but bile, which is secreted by the liver, secreted into duodenum. Which juice? Bile juice. So actually this bile juice does not have any enzyme. So there is a question given below, which juice not contain enzymes means bile juice. So mainly these bile juice were carried out on fats, and this process is emulsification, breaking down of large fats into small fat globules is called emulsification. This emulsification, nothing but fats are digested by the bile juice. So this bile juice, because of not having uh, enzymes, but in consist pigments and salts. Pigments and salts. Pigments are bilirubin and biliverdin. Salts are sodium cholate, sodium deoxycholate. So mainly these salts, sodium cholate, sodium deoxycholate, they act on fats and convert into fat globules or fatty acids and glycerol. Fats are converted into fatty acids and glycerol by the salts. So pigments are two, bilirubin and biliverdin. These are gives to urine that fecal matter yellow in color. This is you have to keep in your mind. Next here, fourth one. The fourth one enzyme is amylase, which is secreted by the pancreas gland, secreted into duodenum. It is the first part of the small intestine, duodenum, and which juice is secreted in pancreatic juice. It is acts on carbohydrates and converted into maltose. So complex carbohydrates are converted into simple carbohydrate, that is maltose by amylase enzyme. Amylase enzyme. Next, fifth one, trypsin, which is also secreted by the pancreas gland, secreted into duodenum part. It is duodenum is the first part of the small intestine. Which juice means pancreatic juice. Acts on proteins. So proteins are converted into peptones by the trypsin. By the trypsin. Next, lipase. So lipase is an enzyme secreted by the pancreas gland, secreted into duodenum, which is the part of the pancreatic juice, and it converts fats into fatty acids and glycerol. So fats are converted into fatty acids and glycerol by lipase enzyme. Next, seventh one, peptidases. So which is secreted by the intestinal gland, small intestine, intestinal juice. It acts, peptidases acts on peptides and convert into amino acids. So peptidases enzymes acts on peptides, convert into amino acids. And last, sucrase is the enzyme which is secreted by the intestinal glands from by the small intestine, which is the part in the intestinal juice, and which acts on sucrose. OAC, AAC. AAC means enzyme. OAC means substance. So sucrase enzyme acts on sucrose. Sucrose also called cane sugar, and this was converted into glucose, which is the simple sugar which is used by the animals. So these are the enzymes in the human digestive system. These enzymes, so number thiolin, pepsin, bile juice, amylase, trypsin, lipase, peptides, sucrase. These are the enzymes. These should play major role by the converting important process like carbohydrates into maltose, proteins into peptones, fats into small globules, carbohydrates into maltose. Like this, they may convert only in the presence of these enzymes. So this is you have to keep in our mind, most important.